Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. Today's video is about how you can reset your password of your blockchain account. If this sounds helpful, watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not already and turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming video. In order to reset the password of your blockchain account, you will need to open the website of blockchain. To do that, firstly open up a browser. Now in the search bar, type in blockchain.com. Soon after that, the official website of blockchain will open. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you'll need to click on the login button. Now, if you have logged into your blockchain account through this device, your email address will already be saved. But if it's your first time logging in through this device, first you'll need to enter your email address, then you'll need to click on this button. Now, to recover your account, you'll need to enter your phrase which the blockchain has given you. This is a private phrase, so you should not share this phrase with anyone. Now enter in your 12-word phrase. After you've entered the phrase, make sure there's a gap between each word. Now after you enter the phrase, click on continue. Now you can reset the password of your blockchain. Again, you'll need to confirm your password. To make sure your password is same, click on the eye icon to reveal your password. Now click on reset password. Those were the few steps to reset the password of your blockchain account. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will soon be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.